Every bride dreams of a perfect wedding day, but let's be real. Little emergencies can happen at any time. That's why having a well prepared emergency kit is an absolute lifesaver. First up, fashion fixes. Your dress, veil, or even bridesmaids' outfits might need a quick adjustment. Pack safety pins, a mini sewing kit, double-sided fashion tape, and a few extra buttons. These small items can fix big problems in seconds. Next, let's talk about beauty touch-ups. Keep your lipstick or gloss, compact powder, blotting papers, and a setting spray close by. Tears, hugs, and dancing can often affect your makeup, so quick touch-ups will keep you looking flawless the whole day. Hair emergencies, they happen. Bring extra hairpins, a small comb or a brush, and a travel size hairspray. Whether it's wind, humidity, or all that movement, you'll be ready to fix it anyway. So let's talk about comfort and health essential. Include pain relievers and band-aids, blister patches, and any personal medication you might need. Also pack tissues. Happy tears are guaranteed. Hygiene is just as important. Have wet wipes, hand sanitizers, deodorant, and a small perfume. You'll feel fresh and confident from morning to night. So let's not forget about wardrobe backup items. An extra pair of underwear, a strapless bra, or even shapewear can come in handy if something feels uncomfortable. Snacks and water are a must. Weddings can be long and busy and you might forget to eat. So keep light snacks to maintain your energy and avoid feeling weak. And finally, a few unexpected lifesavers like a phone charger, stain remover pen, clear nail polish for runs or snags, and even mints or gum for the fresh breath. The key is simple. Prepare for the unexpected so nothing steals your joy, because when you have everything you need within reach, you can relax, you can stay confident and truly enjoy every magical moment on your wedding day.